Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with a Roblox account that can edit the game. Once you have that, open Studio and load the place. Make sure API services is enabled in game settings because without it you cannot issue keys. Next, navigate to the Game Settings Security tab and toggle API services on. This grants the backend permission. Finally, note your place ID and the experience instance. These identifiers link the key to the correct game when you request tokens. Now, you create the API key in the Developer Hub or the game's configure page. Choose an appropriate scope. Pick only the permissions you need because broader scopes increase risk. Once you select scope, set an expiration date or rotation policy so keys don't remain valid forever. This reduces long-term exposure. Also assign IP restrictions or allowed endpoints if available, and label the key clearly so you know its purpose when auditing later. When the key is generated, copy it immediately. Roblox often shows it only once. Then store it in a secure secrets manager or encrypted vault. Do not paste into chat or code comments. Once done, implement rotation and revoke old keys on schedule, and wire the key into your server environment variables so it isn't exposed. If a request fails, check permissions and expiration. If compromise is suspected, revoke the key, audit logs, and issue a new key. This minimizes damage and restores secure access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.